Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We are going to start with the chapter additions, one digit. The lessons we're going to cover today are write addition sentences to describe picture sums to 20, addition input output table sums to 20, add 0, adding using blocks, add doubles, complete the sentence. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 2 math. Chapter we are on right now is addition one digit. Let's just start with the lesson, that is write addition sentences to describe pictures sums to 20. Let's just start with an example. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So you can see we have the puzzle pieces of two colors, purple and orange. Let's just count the purple one. We have one, two, three, four, five of them are purple. And then one, two, three, four of them are orange. So together they make 5 plus 4 equals 9. That is the addition sentence you have to write. Let's just start with the test questions. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So let's just count how many pieces are blue and how many of them are purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them are blue and 2 of them are. So that makes 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 makes, that is 10. 8 plus 2 makes 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you have to count the red one there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the correct option is 7 plus 4 equals 11. The correct option is option number 3. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So, which is the correct option? Option number 1 is the correct option. They are 10 plus 3 equals 13. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. That is 1 plus 2 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. Which is the correct option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the correct option is that is 5 plus 7 equals 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. That is 3 plus 4 equals 7. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence based on the picture. So which is the correct option? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. That is 9 plus 7 equals 16. Option number 3 is the 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to Next lesson, 8 plus 5 is not 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. The next lesson is addition and input output table sums to 20. Let's just start with the test questions. Complete the table. You need to add 5. The rule is add 5. You need to add 5 to each input value. That is, the input value is 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. The next one is 2 plus 5. So 2 plus 5 is 7. That is 7. Then you have 3 plus 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So option number 1 is the correct option. That is 6, 7 and 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Complete the table. Add 3. The rule is you have to add 3 to each input value, right? So the input values are 0, 1 and 3. That is 0 plus 3 equals 3. 1 plus equals 4. And 3 plus 3 makes 6. So the correct option is 3, 4 and 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Complete the table. The rule is, but you are not given the rule here. I think the rule is 0. That is 3, 7 and 8. Let's suppose that is 0. Complete the table. Add 2, which is the correct option. You have to add 2. So which is the correct option? You are given the input values. Just listen to me carefully. You are given the input values and the output value. You need to calculate the output value. How do you calculate? You are given the rule. You need to add 2 to each input value to get the corresponding output value. Here you have 1. You need to add this rule. Add plus 2, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 makes 3. So here the output is 3. The next input value is 2, but the rule is add 2. So you need to add 2. 2 plus 2 makes 4. The third value is 6. You have to add 2 to get the output value. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So the correct option is 3, 4 and 8. Basically, you need to calculate the output values for each input value. How do you calculate? So how do you calculate? You need to add the rule to each input value to calculate the corresponding output value. So that is 3, 4, and 8. Complete the table. So which is the correct option? You need to add 4, right? So you have to add to each input value, right? The input value is 0. 0 plus 4 makes 0. The input value is 2. 2 plus 4 makes 6. The input value is 5. 5 plus 4 makes 9. That is 4, 6, and 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Complete the table. You need to add 0. So which is the correct option? You have to add 0. So 0 means the numbers are exactly same. So that is 2, 6, and 7. The number stays the same. So option number 1 is the correct option. Complete the table. You have to add 5. Add 5. 2 plus 5 makes 7. 3 plus 5 makes 8. And 5 plus 5 makes 10. The correct option is 7, 8, and 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. Complete the table. You have to add 1. So which is the correct option? You need to add 1. So which is the correct option? That is 2, 3, and 9. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is add 0. Let's just start with the test questions. That is 0 plus 8. So which is the correct option? Whatever number you are adding to 0, the number stays the same. 0 plus 8 is 8. Option number 3 is the correct option. Add 4 plus 0, which is the correct option. 4 plus 0 is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Ten plus 0 equals that is 10. Option number 3 is the correct option. Zero plus 3 equals 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. Nine plus 0 makes that is 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. 2 plus 0 is 2 plus 0 is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Five plus 0 is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option. Okay, that is the easiest lesson. I think you can complete the lesson on your own. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is adding using blocks. Let's just start with the test questions. Count the blocks. You have to count the blocks all together. So simply count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the correct option is 8. Count the blocks. That is 1 plus 1 equals 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Count the blocks. 2 plus 2 equals. That is 2 plus 2 equals 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. Count the blocks. So which is the correct option? Nine plus 9 makes 18. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is 18. Count the blocks. So which is the correct option? That is 7 plus 7 makes 14. Option number 2 is the correct option. Six plus six makes that is 12. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add doubles, complete the sentence. Write an 18 as the sum of two equal numbers. So you need to split the 14. So 14 is an even number, right? So you can split 14 into two equal numbers, right? That is 7 plus 7 makes 14. Let's just start with the test questions. Write an addition sentence that shows 18 as a sum of two equal whole numbers. So which is the correct option? So 18 is an even number, right? Even numbers are the one that can be evenly divided by 18. When you count a table of 2, you have 18 there. So 9 plus 9 makes 18. You can add the given options and see which is the correct one. Write an addition sentence that shows 16 as the numbers. That is 8 plus 8 makes 16. Option number 3 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence that shows 4 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. That is 2 plus 2 makes 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence that shows 12 as the sum of two whole numbers. That is 6 plus 6 equals 12. Option number 2 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence that shows 2 as the sum of two equal numbers. That is 2 equals 1 plus 1. The last option is the correct option. Write an addition sentence that shows 6 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. 6 equals 3 plus 3. The last option is the correct option. Write an addition sentence that shows 14 as a sum of two equal whole numbers. That is 7 plus 7 makes 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. Write an addition sentence that shows 10 as the sum of two whole numbers. Ten equals 5 plus 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is addition one digit. The chapter we were working on is addition one digit. The lessons we have covered today are write addition sentence to describe pictures sums 220, addition input output table sums 220, add 0, adding using blocks, add doubles, complete the sentence. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.